Okay, I don't even know.
It ain't gonna hurt nobody to get on down. It ain't gonna hurt nobody to get on down.
Hello, it's me, Asantua. I'm here. Today we finna do some painting. Finna do some painting on some jeans. Y'all know I love to paint on jeans. Okay. This is my jean jacket. I've had it for years now. I actually stole it from my granddaddy, I think. Yeah, I've had it for years now, and it's time to do something different to it, because every time I look at it, I'm like, dang, I want to change it a little bit, but I don't want to like mess it up, because this one is like my favorite. Like, it's so old and vintage, but it's just, look at this color. It's so cute. It's just it's perfect. It's perfect. So over this little quarantine or whatever, I've been really enjoying my time with myself and just taking it all in, you know, just taking it all in. And recently I've been like listening to straight 70s music, straight 70s and 80s R&B, like all the time, like when I'm working and stuff, and it just keeps me, you know, chugging, you know what I'm saying? So I've been inspired by that, and it's just this one song. When I heard it, I was just like, speak. All right, here it goes.
I've got myself to remind me of love.
And I've heard this song so many times when I was like growing up, but like this, I was sitting in my bed over there and this song came on. I was like, oh shit now. And I heard that line, that shit hit different, okay? It hit different in that moment. I was like, hold on, this man is really speaking like volume. He said, I've got myself to remind me of love. And that just, if you get it, you get it. But if you don't, I'm gonna explain it. Well, I'm gonna explain what it means to me. It just, especially in this time right now, we don't really have people over. I don't have nobody over. I don't know what y'all doing. I don't know what y'all doing, but I'm not having nobody over, okay? But yeah, you know, we don't have that connection. Well, we still have connections, but we don't have that like human touch factor in our relationships right now. So it's like you have to just, one, you have to have yourself to love yourself, you know, so it can remind you of whenever you feel down, you be like, bitch, you good, like I'm here, we here together, I got you, you got me, we're good. And then you just have to, and then you have to use yourself to remind you of like the family that you do have, you know, call up your loved ones, da 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 da, you know, just all of that. And I just feel like that one line just, it just made me just feel so like, ooh. I was like, Frankie, you ain't never lied. But yeah, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just gonna paint on my jacket. I did draw like the little thing in pencil yesterday, because I don't got time to be worrying about how I'm gonna do it while I'm recording this, because that's just too much. I got other things to do, like sleep, okay? So yeah, I did draw it out, so I'm about to start painting, you know? And y'all already know I'm finna blast my motherfucking music. I'm finna get to it. First, I gotta mix all my colors, because I actually have, I'm gonna show y'all. I actually have like a vision of what I want it to be. I made a lot of sketches, And this is also something the hell? This is something I advise for when you're really trying to do stuff. I make a lot of sketches before I ever start working on something, and I advise that, like, it was many different ways this was gonna be, but I ended up here. Here, okay, y'all see it when I'm done now. But yeah, I gotta mix my colors because I already planned my colors, so gotta handle that first, and then we just gonna get to it. So I hear people outside. Y'all hear that? They not following the rules. They probably like 3 feet apart, to be honest. They not following the rules. Should I call? I'm finna call the police. I'm finna call the apartment maintenance so they can get them the apartment security. Cause I definitely hear y'all checking it up out there, and I know y'all just sound 2 feet apart. You know what I'm saying? They just sound like they like here. They sound like they really like right here. So I'm calling the cops. All right, I'm getting into it. Bye.
Purchase your tracks today.
Words color. My niggas throwing one, and we gon' spend that motherfucking money till we done. Okay, hey everyone, I'm finally done. It's like 5-6 hours later. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's really cute. I say that about everything. I say that about everything I make. But I do think it's really cute. I think it's really cute, and I just love it. I really love it. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. So, y'all see? Do y'all see this? It's so cute. Oh, I also cut it. I cut it to like here because, you know, I'm a whore. Okay, can y'all see? Can y'all see? I really don't know if y'all can see or not, but boom, bitch. This is the end. This is the end, and you know, I'm very happy with the results. As y'all can see, I got paint on my weave, so I gotta wash that. But besides that, the process the process went pretty good, you know. So I'm very happy with the end result, and that's all I really gotta say. Okay, that's it. Bye.